So I'm just in is this Swannery car park. I'm going to use the JAXPAC application to pay. I don't know how much it's going to cost, but I'll try to put it on the video for you to see. Wow, I think they just opened it. It's open. Okay, so we got to Weymouth. It took us about 2 hours to get here. It's a little bit traffic. We were lucky we got car park. I'll display over the video so I can see how much the car park costs.
I can park very, very well.
Yeah, she did very well. You know, she parked really very, very. I mean, she's good at parking. And it costs £10 to park the car, and it's also KFC next to the car park. So that's a tip for you if you love KFC. We'll continue later. She's really it will get warmer soon.
No, look, I'm floating.
Enjoy your drink. Is that Prosecco?
Yeah.
Nice.
Are you need a drink? Can you get me?
Can I have a glass? today is Sunday, 14th. The weather is constant, it's about 30 degrees. While I'm here, I'll try to show you guys what's going on there, and then probably take you guys all the way down there, and then show you the beach. No, it's so hot today, like people just having ice cream. I got my KFC, you know. I'm just going to get back to the beach now, find our space, sit somewhere really comfy, and then enjoy my crispy KFC chicken wings. Guys, how much it is for an hour?
For an hour, it's £7 per person.
£7 per person, yeah?
Yeah, well, it's £3.50 half hour.
Okay. It looked like actually people actually rent this, so I'm going to see if I could speak to one of them to see how much this thing actually costs. Let's see if we can get there on time. Hi ladies, is that Charlie?
Yes.
Wow, I was just talking to the gentleman there. So he rented for quite a few years. So do you guys own it for a few days? So
No, I booked it for the season.
wow, so you did the same as what he did. So the whole summer season.
Yeah.
I don't know the pricing. Do you know how much you paid?
So I paid something like $3.75 for May to September.
So this is yours. Nobody can use it. You can have friends change. It's pretty amazing.
It's not expensive because it's temporary. They go up in May and they come down in September. So you don't have it for longer than that, but they are yours. No one else should, well, they've got change.
Yeah, they got change, yeah.
So no one should use it, but I mean,
At night time, sometimes the kids come in.
obviously people go underneath the chain and they sit in it, but I'm not going to get too angry about that.
You mind if I just look how, like, if you have a storage and anything in there? Wow. Wow. So you even have a lock, like it's a proper lock. So when you're swimming, everything is safe. Wow, this is amazing.
You could put camping equipment in there, so you could have like a little camping stove.
So you don't have to bring them
No.
when.
And you'd put like, you'd be able to like make cups of tea, you'd be able to cook on it, and you can store anything in the back.
Wow. Because I've been to Weymouth, I think this one is different.
It's cheap.
It's cheap and
It's temporary.
and it's quite funky. It's all the same black and white. It's,
Yeah.
yeah, it's cooler.
And they give you, as well when you hire it, they give you the awning for the back and the front. So there's one for the front as well, where you can just literally have the whole thing covered, so you can change.
Oh, so they give you like a curtain and.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Also, at the moment, you don't have the.
Curtain.
You have to use your own towels and stuff.
No, I've got the awning, I haven't put it
Oh, okay, you have them. Okay. Wow.
Are you down here for the summer?
No. We just. I live in Bristol, so we just came for a day. Yeah.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Chose a good day.
Yeah, I've been to few beaches. I don't like them. I only come to Weymouth.
Which beach don't you like? Western-super-Mare.
One of them.
Yeah.
Beaumont's one of them.
Ah!
No, maybe, yeah, you're right. It's too crowded.
You need to know the right places on Bournemouth. You need to go to the Chimes. Have you heard of the Chimes?
No.
So you've got Bournemouth Pier.
Yeah.
Pier. If you go west towards Poole,
Yeah.
there are loads of chimes. They're old ravines. Used to be rivers that came down to the sea, but they're dried up.
Oh.
And there's Middle Chime, Branksome Dean Chime. They go all the way along, and they're much quieter.
Thank you so much.
You gotta know local.
That's. just finished doing the tour of this beautiful chalet. It's actually cost less than £400. I'll put the real amount in the video. Yeah, so guys, all you have to do, email them, call them, ask them the price. You can actually rent them for a whole season. How amazing is that? So this is Weymouth from me, the whole team, Ghana Fun Tube team. See you in the next one. Kayak!